Omega.
Hello guys, this is Jawad. Once again, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I want to continue the training on the layout tab. We finished the design tab, and today we want to continue the layout. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing you see on the left side is the emergence. It's the emergence of your page size. Like if you hover over that, you will see that it says set the emergence size of the entire document or the current selection. So you can see what kind of alignment the size of your page should be. Should be narrow, should be normal, should be like moderate. So we say narrow. As you can see, this left index, like this one here, the left indent and the right one, they move to edges, right? You can manually change them with your mouse, but you can just simply click and make a selection here. I preferably use the normal because it's a standard one. I can, like, once I print something, it will just print right on the place I want. And some people, some people just want to customize the emergence. You can just add a different setting here. You can change everything you want here. All right, these are kind of the advanced training. Some of them is for the people who write the book, the preview, the whole forward, everything, 2 pages per sheet, It's like, it's actually the format of a book. Once you write a book, you say, I want like the book like left page and right page. And you can set it as default once you click on it, all right? The page orientation, I don't want to have the page on portrait or landscape, all right? So let me zoom out and make it smaller so you can see the difference. So you can see this is portrait right here, and you can change the size to landscape, right? Here is the page size, the actual print out like A4, like in Germany we have A4, like, I don't know, A3, A5. In Germany, in US, there are like the page formats are different, but you can change them as any kind of format you want from here, okay? As you can see, all these settings you can open them from here. If you click on this and this arrow right here, you will open the main page setup, okay? As I said, you can change the page setup here. You can change the page columns if you want to have 2 lines or 3 lines, or So let me just show you something. Like if I say this is text, copy it. Okay, so as you can see, before it moves to the next page, it moves to the right. And if I say 3 columns, and if I keep copying and pasting that, see, you have 3 columns. You can change it easily from here, okay? So you got the point. So we want 1 page. You can have here, like, break the page. Like if you're typing here, okay, and you want to finish the page from here, you want to break it and start it from the paragraph from another page, you say break the page, all right? You move to the next page, all right? There are other columns here, so hold on, let me put it on 2, and I say break column, all right? It moves to here, like, and instead of continuing writing here, I say, okay, it's enough. I want to move to the right side column, and I just click on breaks and say columns, all right? Okay. The text wrapping if you insert an object, you can just wrap up the image with the text, okay? Next page, you can continue typing, and even pages, old pages, you can just change it. Like these things, you might barely use them. Okay, as I said, these are like advanced utilization of this. This is line numbering, okay? as you can see, it automatically number all the sentences you type here. Like if I, as you can see, so once I enter, it just automatically add the number to the sentence. All right. Restart each page. Like, did you see? Let me undo it. Once I click on restart each page, the number here 19 and 20, it will turn into 1. Start from 1. Okay. You see, starts from 1. Okay. So, what is the hyphenation? I never used this, you know. And it's actually, I think it has to do something with the resizing. Like if a word run out of the space, it will like make it smaller, or it's just kind of push them together. Okay, so I never used this before. Okay, so I put it on none. Indent alignment, you can, as I told you before, you can manually, let me select all and delete them so we turn back into one page. You can change this manually with your mouse, or you can add it here. Okay, you can add the alignment 0.8 inches, or as you can see here, this here is moving. Change the alignment to the right, to the left, to the bottom, to the top. The right one is changing. Okay, you can change them all manually without using this number. But if you want to work very clear and exact, you might want to enter numbers here. Okay, so position, what is this one? I need to insert a photo, an image, or any kind of object. I just insert this one. Okay, layout. All right, so positioning, you can say where do you want to have this text. Okay, for example, if you have, let me resize this. Okay, I say this is a text. Sorry, hold on, let me copy. Okay, you can actually say here, I want to move it to the top left. Do you see? The text easily moves to the side, and it wraps with the text here. You can say I want it in the bottom left side, so you see it here. You can say I want it to the top right, see it here. Okay, you can just kind of position this. You can say also that as you can see, once I move the image, okay, the text, it's kind of move the text or the words to the side, so it could place itself between the text. So you can bring the image on the top of the text or behind the text. It's easily, you click your object, you go to wrap, and you say I want it like in front of the text. Okay, it's on the text itself, basically, or you say I want it behind the text. As you can see, the text is on the top of the image. Okay, and let me insert another object here. All right, so as you can see, this blue object is on the photo. So you can, if you want to send this blue object under the photo, it's easy. You either right click here and you say send to back. Okay, so, or you say bring to front. Hold on. because it's there to formatting here. All right, it's basically it doesn't work here now, but this is the reason. This is the purpose of this. Like you send, as you can see here, you can send the object behind another object, or bring the object in front of another one, and you know, finish the work as you want. Okay, so like bring to front and send backward. Okay, it's a selection pattern, and I never use this. Just make it easier to select the object, change their order, or okay, yeah, makes sense. You can select multiple objects here, and you can align them to the right, to the left, using this, to the center, without dragging them with your mouse. You can just simply select from here and send them top, up, down, whatever you want. This is like grouping to object. Let me bring another image here. I don't know. I just take one. I don't know what it is. Okay, so minimize this. Okay. Okay. So we can let this first send it to the here. Okay, as you can see now, this send to back works. See, let me show you again. I select the second photo. I said bring it to forward. You see, this is how it works. Send it back, bring it forward. Okay, so good that that it has finally worked. All right, let's continue our work. This option here in layout. Right here, group, like you can group two photos, two objects together, and they act as one object. You say group them, right? Group. So they are now one object. They're moving together. Okay, you can resize them together, although you can't resize them like individually by first like clicking the group and then click the object itself, like pretty much two clicks. All right, you can click them on it again and you say ungroup them and you separate them. All right, and rotation, the last option, you can rotate the option from here. Okay, you can turn it around like 90 degree to the right, 90 degree to left, or vertical, flip vertical or horizontal. Okay, or you can use this and just rotate it. Okay, and if you want to flip it, you just simply click on this point and then move it to the other side, up and down. All right, this was it for today. Hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for not missing the future videos. Thank you very much for staying with us and have a great time. See you. Bye bye. Omega. Woo!